today we're gonna make what? Chocolate pie.
Okay, sorry.
Ava is breaking up the chocolate. And this is the easiest chocolate pie ever. All you need is, where's the wrapper? Oh, there it is. A big Hershey bar. We usually use one with almonds in it, but my mom can't eat almonds, so we're just doing plain. I actually do a little bit extra too, because I like it chocolatey. Okay. And I got out the wrong pie crust. So.
Yes, you did. Sorry.
We also need a pie crust. We're using chocolate. And we need
Cool Whip.
Cool Whip. And a big shout out to Pansy Cannon for making this for us for the first time. Yep. It was delicious, and now I make it all the time. And you have chocolate all over you.
Wow.
All right, so we're gonna melt this. So hold on. Okay, so we got it melted. Ava's stirring it. Delicious. Now we're gonna add some Cool Whip.
Okay.
Yes. So we're gonna put the Cool Whip in here and stir it around in the chocolate. Get all that mixed up. Starting to look like that. Okay, now we're going to pour it in.
Because I'm doing it. Ow.
I don't think it's hot. Good job.
Can you help me?
Yes.
By holding it?
Yes. Sorry.
I can't really see.
Here. Oh, let's get it out.
I want to spread it and get it out.
Yes, you may do that. Well, that looks delicious. Here, let me get it off of here.
Okay.
Then you can spread it. Yum. We have to save some for the dogs.
Cool Whip?
Yes. So, do that. And I'm going to get, can I get another spoon out?
Go ahead.
You know you're being filmed, right?
Yeah, I know.
Okay. Eat them. Here's Max. And whoop, whoop. Here's Roxie. Can't really see them. Okay, I've dropped it all over the floor. So, oh, now I've got it on Roxie's head. Whoops. Okay.
What's up, Roxie?
Maybe let's don't do that. Okay. So this is what the pie looks like. Oh, there's still some on the floor, guys. Look right here. Look. Eat that. Sorry. shaved chocolate.
Drizzle.
Can you get the chocolate syrup out?
Yeah, hello.
This looks delicious.
Can I do it?
Yes. You may drizzle to your heart's content. I'm gonna have a bite. Ooh, that looks good. Awesome. Yes. That looks pretty yummy.
Yeah.
So we're gonna freeze it for at least a couple of hours, but
Yeah.
we're not gonna eat this till tomorrow, so stay tuned for our next cooking extraordinaire.
Yep.